Imagine waking up one morning with your bank account almost empty, wondering how you're going to survive the next week, and then discovering a brand new AI side hustle so simple that absolute beginners are using it to go from broke to earning real money within just 7 days. This is not the traditional start a business talk, not freelancing, not complicated coding, and definitely not one of those fake overnight schemes. This is a real, shockingly simple AI method that is quietly changing lives right now, and most people don't even know it exists. Stay with me for the next few minutes, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to start this method today, how to set it up, how to get paid fast, and how people who had zero skills just last week are already earning from it daily. The craziest part is that this method doesn't require speaking on camera, showing your face, editing videos, writing long content, or even marketing knowledge. Everything is done automatically using a set of new AI tools that handle the difficult parts for you. All you do is copy, paste, upload, and publish. The reason this is working so well in 2025 is because platforms are hungry, desperate for fresh content, and this AI system feeds them exactly what they want in a format that earns you money even while you sleep. That's why new beginners are seeing results way faster than traditional side hustles. Some even make their first income in 48 hours. So here's the shocking truth that nobody wants to tell you. The biggest earning opportunities right now are not saturated markets, not old business models, not anything that requires massive knowledge. The biggest opportunities are hidden inside AI automation tools that do the work for you. Tools that generate content, text, visuals, and scripts faster than humans. And because these tools keep improving, the people who learn how to use them today will dominate the market tomorrow. The question is, will you be one of them? Let's break down how this 7-day transformation happens. On day one, beginners discover the tool. They test it, play with it, and realize it can generate high-value content that people are actively searching for. On day two, they set up their account on a platform that pays per view, per download, or per project. On day three, they upload their first AI-generated content. By day four, they begin to see traction, a few views, a few clicks, maybe even a small payment. On day five, they refine what works and upload more. By day six, the algorithm starts pushing their content to new audiences. And on day seven, they see their first meaningful earnings, sometimes $30, sometimes $100, and sometimes way more depending on consistency and niche. It sounds unbelievable until you realize how much demand there is for simple digital content that AI can now create at lightning speed. The heart of this method revolves around AI-generated micro-content, short, clean, useful pieces of digital value that people can download instantly. This can be AI-generated templates, AI-written scripts, AI-generated ideas, AI-created worksheets, AI-created image packs, or AI-designed visuals. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Fiverr, KDP, YouTube, Pinterest, and even Instagram Reels are rewarding people who post simple, valuable digital items. The trick is that most people don't know AI can create these items automatically. Instead, they spend hours doing manual work, while beginners using AI are earning faster with less effort. For example, imagine you create 10 short ebook templates in a single hour using AI. Then imagine uploading them to a marketplace that sells them on autopilot. You only do the work once, and you get paid again and again whenever someone buys. That's why this method is so powerful. Your time is leveraged. Instead of trading hours for money, you're creating digital assets using AI that keep making money without you being online 24/7. But that's not the only part that makes it shockingly simple. The second major advantage is that the AI tools don't just help create content, they also help optimize it. They help you write titles, descriptions, keywords, and tags that make your uploads rank higher. They help you create viral thumbnails that increase clicks. And they even help you find trending niches that are currently blowing up online. When you combine creation plus optimization plus automation, that's when beginners start seeing results faster than anyone ever expected. Now you might be thinking, but don't a lot of people already know about this? And the answer is no. Most people are stuck in old systems. They still think they need to learn complicated skills, buy expensive courses, or invest huge amounts of time. They don't realize AI has already eliminated most of the obstacles. That's why people who jump on this early are winning big. They're using tools that others don't understand yet. The third reason this method works so well is because of global reach. Your content is not limited to one country or one audience. AI-generated content can be used by people from the US, Canada, Australia, Europe, Asia, and everywhere else. And because digital content has no shipping cost, no inventory, and no overhead, your profit margin is almost 100%. That's why even a beginner with zero starting budget can go from broke to profitable extremely quickly. Let me show you why the numbers make sense. Imagine you upload 20 digital products online. Only 5 of them start getting traction. Let's say each of those 5 makes just $10 a day. That's $50 per day, or $1,500 per month, from something you created once using AI. And that's just the beginning. If you upload more, test more niches, and scale more categories, your earnings compound. Some people end up with 50, 100, even 200 digital assets, all created using AI, all generating income daily. This is how passive income truly works when combined with automation. The fourth reason beginners succeed in 7 days is because platforms promote new creators aggressively. They want fresh content and trending niches. If your content is useful, clean, simple, and optimized, the algorithm pushes it, especially during your first week. That first push brings in traffic, and traffic turns into money. So instead of waiting months, you start seeing momentum early, which motivates you to continue. Now let's talk about the emotional part. When someone who has been broke finally sees their first online income, no matter how small, it flips a switch inside them. They start believing again. They start understanding that money is no longer tied to physical work. They see that digital assets can earn while they sleep. They realize that they can scale to $50 per day, then $100 per day, then even $300 per day. This sense of possibility is what makes this AI side hustle life-changing. It's not just the money, it's the momentum. And remember, the people winning with this method right now are not experts. They're not professionals. They're not tech geniuses. They're normal people who decided to try something new and use AI as their shortcut. They let AI handle the work that used to take days. And when you remove the hard part, the results come faster than anyone expects. So here's how you can start today. First, choose a platform that pays for simple digital content. Second, pick a niche with demand. Third, open an AI tool and generate your content. Fourth, design a clean thumbnail or cover using AI. Fifth, upload everything with SEO-optimized titles and descriptions. Sixth, repeat the process daily for 7 days. That's it. The consistency matters more than perfection. The more you upload, the more the algorithm learns, the more people see your content, and the more money comes in. The opportunity in front of you right now is rare. Platforms are exploding. AI tools are at their peak. Beginners are winning. And the competition is still low because most people are sleeping on this method. If you start today, you are early. If you wait, you will miss the easiest phase. So ask yourself, do you want to watch others succeed with AI, or do you want to take control and build something real for yourself? The choice is yours. But remember, someone less skilled than you is already making money with this exact method. The only difference is they started. Now it's your turn. Start today, stay consistent for 7 days, and watch what happens. With AI by your side, even the simplest actions can turn into income, and this method proves exactly that.